Thousands of people come to see Dr. Miami. When you get into a surgical center, you want to do the immediate areas of where the patients could touch. Table beds, chairs, carts, those are the areas that you always want to immediately clean every day when patients come in and out. National BioSafe, over 35 years of infectious cleaning.
You have to make sure that your staff is safe, that your patients are safe, whatever business you have. So it's really important that you not only disinfect your building, but also that you continue to disinfect all the high contact areas. We're going to use BioStop 70% alcohol cleaner on all our surfaces.
So what we did today at Dr. Miami's, we cleaned and disinfected all 5 floors, and then what we also do is help train your staff to be successful in the future, because the main thing is we need to get back to work and we need to be protected. So get protection, get back to work. National BioSafe is here to help you.